Confused about the Santa Clarita real estate market? Let Connor shed light and empower you with valuable insights. Connor delves deep into the data, analyzes trends, and provides comprehensive guidance to navigate the market with confidence. From buying your dream home to making wise investment decisions, Connor equips you with the knowledge you need to succeed. Market Made Clear. Gain crucial insights and understand the dynamics of Santa Clarita's real estate scene. Data-driven decisions. Make informed choices based on Connor's expert analysis and market trends. Neighborhood Spotlight. Discover the diverse offerings and investment potential of different Santa Clarita areas. Ask the expert. Have your questions answered directly by Connor in an interactive Q&A session. Empowered with knowledge. Make confident moves in the Santa Clarita market with Connor by your side. Don't miss out. Join Connor's next live Q&A session and get your personal market questions answered. Subscribe to Connor's newsletter for regular updates and market insights straight to your inbox. Schedule a free consultation with Connor to discuss your specific real estate goals and strategies.